So here in Old Mesilla, there's a lot of galleries, and right inside here, we're gonna go inside, check it out. There's a sculpture outside. Nice.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. My name's Ransom.
Shelby.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Welcome to Casa Otro.
Cool, cool. Can you tell us a little bit or show us around a little bit?
Yeah, of course.
What's going on here?
So this building, I do want to talk about it first.
Yeah.
It was built in 1853, so very historic. We have been open for about 5 years, running as a gallery. We are a fine art contemporary gallery. We like to focus on local emerging artists, and we like to bring artists in who have something to say about, contemporary dialogue. We recently also just created a nonprofit called Project Otro.
Oh, wow.
So we hope to have a lot of residencies here. You can see we do have space for a bed and a kitchen and stuff. We would like to bring local artists in, as well as artists from all across the world who are already established, to bring their expertise, experience, and mentorship to artists here.
That is cool.
So today we have all local artists. This right here is Nathan Smith. He's also the owner of the gallery and this space. He's the founder of our nonprofit as well, Project Otro. Feel free to look around. If you have any questions, just let me know. This right here is Adora Jackson, and as we go through those charcoal paintings over there, Adrian Aguirre, local artists. I can give you details on each one if you're interested in something specific. So this right here is work by Adrian Aguirre. He's a local artist who spent a lot of his life crossing back and forth from El Paso and Juarez. A lot of his work focuses on refugees, and he takes his time to either go to border towns, speak to the community, or he bases a lot of his work off of news photographs. This right here specifically is charcoal. He does a lot of his work on charcoal. His most recent stuff is called Fantasmas, that focuses on the Venezuelan migrants who are sent to refugee camps. This work is from a couple of years ago. He has not only shown here for the past few years, but he also shows in El Paso as well.
Cool. Thanks so much. Okay, well, that was a cool little experience there. Walked into a building, didn't even know it was a gallery, but it was. A lot of cool things they got going on there. They're doing some construction. They're producing basically a whole nother building. They said out in the desert. Not sure where exactly that's going to be located, but seems like a fun place. And I think that's going to wrap it up for Old Mesilla, at least this portion of it. Yeah, we're going to come back again, do a little bit more walking talks, get to meet some people like we did today. And I appreciate you hanging out. Cool experience in Old Mesilla. Thanks again. And as always, see you in the next one.